In this demo, we'll demonstrate how Astera Centerprise simplifies data modeling by enabling you to create and automate data models in 2 simple steps. With Astera's data modeling component, you can design and deploy database schemas quickly and with complete flexibility, perfect for situations where you need to modernize, migrate, or expand your systems. In this example, you're working with an existing SQL Server database and want to move it to a cloud provider to improve scalability and access. Using reverse engineering, you can instantly pull its metadata and create a visual model of the schema. From there, you can update entities, attributes, and relationships, combine entities where it makes sense, or add new ones directly in the graphical interface. You can also use the AI chat interface to make these changes simply by typing natural language commands. For analytics needs, you can transform the schema into a dimensional or data vault model in just a few clicks, ensuring it's ready for reporting and insights. Once your design is complete, Forward Engineering generates the DDL script and applies it to your chosen cloud database. The result is a ready-to-use, optimized schema that supports your business objectives and can be reused for future projects.